Yeah, that's much better. So POPBULL, they sent me this trailer jack to do a review on, and there's a couple of things that I really like about it. First and foremost, you move the handle from the side on the other one to up here. Additionally, you've got this pin right here that you can go ahead and remove. You can put this all the way up so that you don't have to spend so much time spinning everything around to try and get it back in place. And then what we'll go ahead and do is my favorite part, which is we've got this little lock to take this off. So go ahead and hit that. And now we can move everything with the drill. This is on the impact, so it's noisy, but you get the idea. So you can do everything a whole lot faster than you otherwise would if you had the standard jack like you see here. Now, one thing that was kind of a bummer is it didn't come with any hardware, so I had to go out and get my own hardware, but that's just because I wanted things shiny and I didn't want to deal with rusty old bolts. So with this, you're able to do 5,000 pounds, and you have 15 inches that you can move everything up and down. You have the handle, and you can do it with just an impact. It keeps everything sealed. It keeps it all nice and well lubricated. It moves super simply, and you don't have to sit there fighting with the foot on here like you would with one of those out there, because it just tucks it up nice and out of the way compared to everything else. So if you're looking to upgrade your trailer, which now that I'm looking at this, it's the nicest thing on my trailer, and I gotta fix things up. But anyways, if you're looking to upgrade your trailer, then POPBULL trailer jacks, they're a great way to go.